So when you go for a local market, if you go for a local market, you can diversify your business a bit. And instead of creating the course, the modular course, what you can do is that you can consider to do a live class instead, because the local market appreciates the live class more than the modular course. And the advantage that you have by doing the live class is it makes your life so much more easier, because you don't have to spend the time to record stuff, right? You just spend a day, take your 5 modules that you have. Those will be the 5 parts of training that you're going to do, right? Get them to come and you teach them these 5 parts here. Now, why you want to do a live training? One is that it makes your life really easy, because you just put all of them together and bam, you finish that in one day. And if you want, you can get it recorded, and now you have your modular course product, and it has very high value because it's a recording of live training. If that is for a local market, that is what I would do to get started. And you want to do that because you got to get yourself official. And when you do yourself official, when you have your sales page, at least you can say that, hey, I'm a trainer, and at least you have some pictures to support your sales page that you have done this officially, like you did your own workshop in that sense. And the next point is this, is that when you first start right now, you haven't do any official training yet, which means that you have no case study to speak about. You have no testimonials to show about. So you need to have that in order for you to enhance your credibility. Now, although you know about Facebook advertising and so on, like what I understand from here, but it will strengthen your position by showing that you have that, right? That you have trained someone, because not many people wants to be, a strong word would be guinea pig. Not many people wants to do that. If they have an option to invest, they will invest into someone who can show them that, hey, I've done this and these are the list of clients that I have.